everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a frame-off restored car. The car's out of North Carolina. Beautiful car, guys. It's finished in cranberry red. It's got the black vinyl interior in it, the black super sport striping. Gorgeous car. Big block 454. Matter of fact, this is the motor was built by a retired NASCAR engine builder. It's got four-wheel disc brakes, 4-speed, aftermarket heat and air conditioning. Beautiful car. Again, this is it's cranberry red. I don't think it's the correct color to the car, but it is correct to 1970. It's got a set of 18-inch US mag wheels with ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Pretty car. I apologize. Yes, I am rushing a little bit. It's kind of spitting rain here right now. And unfortunately, once the rain starts, we got about 2 days of it. Sorry, guys. You can see the little drips of kind of mist on it. Car's got all the original T3 headlights in it. You can see new bumpers. It's got pretty paint on it. Car's only got 6 miles on it since they got the restoration done. Cowl hood. Car's out of North Carolina. It's had the same odor since 1992. Again, apologize about the little sprinkles on it. There's not much we can do right now. Springtime in Michigan. Cold, raining. We're just glad it's not snowing. Yeah, see, that's just the bumpers are new. These taillight bezels are not. It's something that they didn't replace. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, the car's been equipped with four-wheel disc brakes. Again, healthy 454 in it, Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. It's got forged flat top pistons in it. It's got a Herbert camshaft, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. It's got aftermarket heat and AC, power 4-wheel disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. It's a pretty car, man. The car's got a great look to it. You can see it's got all new door rubbers on it. New carpet, new sill plates, bucket seats, console. It's got a tilt column with a sports steering wheel in it. It's got the factory tack and gauges. Again, you can see 6 miles on it. Even the clockwork's in there. It's got an AM/FM radio in it. Of course, it's got the aftermarket levers for the AC. One thing he told me is they put all new wiring harness and all new fuse panel in this car too. 12-bolt rear end. It's got the F41 rear suspension with the sway bar. 342 limited slip. He said that's all brand new. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. You can see the car's nice underneath, new fuel tank. Some dust in there. That J fired up. Looks like it's got new door handles. Just kick your AC on. AC's all new, it works. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Sorry guys, I just don't want to take a chance. Once that rain comes in, yeah, try to pin this thing quick for the. They say once it starts, it's gonna be here forever. So. Works. Again, the clock works. All your gauges up there working, Jay?
Yep.
Like everything works. Parking brake?
Yep.
Parking brake. Oh yeah, but even the little parking brake light in the dash works. Oh, we got a bulb out on this right side. We'll check that. Yeah, we got a bulb out here. It's probably just a connection on the bulb. Radio?
I'm not getting nothing on the
No on the radio, but we know the blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Facebook is another great way to keep in touch with us. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. What's good looking? Have a great day, guys.